Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Blogger account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't yet, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Blogger is an American blog publishing service that allows multi-users blog with time-stamped entries, and the blogs are hosted by Google and generally accessed from a subdomain. To sign up to Blogger, go to your web browser and search for blogger.com. Since Blogger is associated with Google, you'll need to enter your Google information first. In order to sign up for Blogger, enter your email or your phone number for your Google account and tap on the Next button. Enter your password, tap on the Next button, again tap on I agree, and you'll be taken to the Blogger official website. To create or sign up, tap on Create Your Blog. Select your Google account. Since you can sign up to Blogger with your Google account, type in the title for your blog and tap on the Next button, or you can skip the step for now. You can type in a web address. For your blog with this web address, people will be able to find your blog online. Once the blog address is available, you can move on to the next step by tapping on Next. Confirm your display name. This is for how you would want to display your name to readers of your blog. After you're finished, tap on Finish and you have signed up for a Blogger account. To post your very first blog, tap on New Post and create a blog for yourself and start publishing. That is how you can sign up for Blogger.com. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.